Well,
that's what's up.
That was epic.
Josh!
What?
He needs the light.
I'm getting the light. If we all could just calm down, I have a light. Actually, better yet, here. Hold on. Power went out, buddy. It's all right. Oh, wow. Well, that was quite crazy. But I already have this candle prepared. I was like, I got it. Here.
Load him up.
There. No, that was crazy. Well, power's still out here. Oh, one light's on. Well, this is a big storm majigger, and woo! Whoa! All right, there's the light. It's on a different color. Oh, there it goes again. Oh my God! Ow! I hit my ribs. Oh well. I gotta go, everybody. Oh, there goes the power again. This is fun. So, you want me to go get... Oh, whoa. This is my first vlogumentary, Mom. Oh, this is, I feel like I'm in one of those scary movies where the power goes out and then someone gets killed. Right? Do you have my lighter?
No.
Oh, I mean, I don't have a lighter. That's for sure. My mom doesn't want me to have a lighter. Wow.
Do not open the fridge.
Don't open the... Okay.
Did you lock Tim out?
Oh, no, I didn't lock him out. Don't worry. Whoa. I wish you guys could see, man. I could somewhat see. Oh. Whew. So yeah, this is my first vlog officially. Hold on, I don't know if you could hear me. This is my first vlog officially. I decided I was gonna do it a long time, but I decided this is like a perfect time because the power went out. So, it's so cold out here. I'm gonna go back in. Holy crap. No, wait. Change my mind. I'm going in the storm. I'm braving it. I can't see nothing. Please help me. Help me. Him. Hello.
Shit out.
Dude, it's crazy out here, huh? We have a mini flashlight. I know, dude, it's so cool out here. I'm getting my
power outages.
I know, they're my favorite, man. We haven't had one in a while.
This place I used to live?
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Right.
Oh. Hold on, I'll be right back out. Oh, my power. Oh, no. Hold on, guys, real quick. Where's my phone? Darn nabbit. My fish are probably peeing their pants right now.
Laptop, you may want to save some, whatever.
Yeah, I know. Hold on, guys. I have to use the camera as light to find my light. I feel like I'm in Amnesia: The Dark Descent. Okay, there we go. I feel like I'm in Amnesia: The Dark Descent. Y'all good in there, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. Oh, you want to go outside with me?
No.
It's scary, huh?
Yeah.
I feel like you're in a scary video game.
Where's Mom?
She's out here with everyone else. I found a flashlight. Oh, okay.
Why don't you go to the park and learn those?
Okay. They were kissing. I can't be in there. Oh, hey, you can see me, everybody. Oh, and just in case you don't know, hello, I'm Josh. Yeah. There's a lot of freaking candles in there. I heard something smash. Oh my god. What can it be? What can it be? I'm gonna go out front. So I'll let you guys see. Oh, you can't see crap, can ya? Huh. Oh, poo. Huh. You guys can see some lightning. Watch, it'll pop up. So yeah, right now this is the worst storm of the whatever year. Our monsoon supposedly just ended, but I take it didn't. Ooh, scary out here. So yeah. I ought to start my vlog in candlelight. So yeah, today power outage, cross country practice, school, learning, yeah. That's all I have to say. Next vlog will be better. With not so many power outages. It was epic because it started out with like just the street lights flickering, and then it was like, and my brother's like, because it was like very, very scary. I was outside when it hit. Watch, you'll see. Don't you guys feel like you're in a scary castle? Dun dun. I feel like I'm in Dracula right now. Wish I had a better flashlight. Oh. Yeah. Some lightning up here. So, yeah, that's my first, vlog. So I will see you guys next time when I do another vlog. See you later. Alright guys, I'm serious, this is Amnesia: The Dark Descent. I feel like one of those things from the PewDiePie channel are gonna come attack me. Right now I'm looking for my phone, that's what I'm looking for. So I could text all my girlfriends and be like, yo, what's up girls? You see that power outage? There it is. Alright, so yeah. Again, power outage. I guess this is counting as vlog number 2, maybe? I don't know. But all I have is a candle. A Yankee candle. It's actually Winter Wonderland, just in case you're wondering. And I think it smells pretty good. Hold on, let me put this somewhere hard to maneuver with the camera. Oh my god, I have to hide from the creepy mean. Creepy. Oh yeah, here's my fish. They're probably scared peeing. My laptop. That's all I got right now that has power. But, yeah. Boop bop. Hey guys, I'm Josh. No, but, so yeah, today was pretty fun. I'm about to light my eyebrows on fire. Just school stuff, you know, boring. But after school I did cross country. I got this dust weather alert. The funny thing is, I never believed those because they never happened. They're like, dust storm, watch out. But I guess this time it was like a flash storm. Ooh, wow, lightning, let's see. And, flash storm really, I rode my bike through it. It was like, yay, light. And then all of a sudden it's like, psh. I don't know if I have the file for when there was a light, but if I do, put that first. But yeah, I guess, not that much to talk about now that there's no electricity. Let me open the door. Hey, Caden.
Hi.
What's up, bro? I'm doing a vlog. You want to be in it?
Yeah.
Here, burn this on your head. No, I'm just kidding. You're all, it's so hot. Alright, good night, bro.
Good night.
Hugs? Alright. Good night, man.
Good night.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
She already bit my neck.
Oh, yeah, I guess they bit his neck. Oh yeah, I don't think I've given you a tour. It's my game room, kind of hard to see. You know what? There's no point in giving you a tour. What the heck? Xbox. So, yeah, I guess, this is about it. And I will see you guys in the next vlog.